Good afternoon.
That's your page.
I want to check what I did last session. I think I tried to test and one-way analysis. So for analysis of SS program, we have to open 3 files at the same time, right? This is data file, this is text file, and so this is output file. Okay? So if we look at the text file, we can see what we did last class. Okay? So if we look at this one, we did differential analysis. Also, we did compute in service stem test on a analysis. Okay. So I'm going to show you the so we have to check the questionnaire every time. Okay. So based on the questionnaire, we have to decide what we are going to analyze. Okay. This is questionnaire. Okay. Like this. We look at this one. This is demographic characteristics, aging, visa status, okay, highest education level, etc. Okay. So at this time we will analyze one-way analysis of variance again. Okay. Yeah, ANOVA. So for the ANOVA analysis, we have to also this one. We start from here. Okay. We go to analysis and compare means. The last one is one-way ANOVA. Okay. Here is this one. So at the time we use only mean. Okay. So this one. Here's a mean self-esteem, mean facial images, something like that. We check this one. Okay. There's very wide space, so you can use this space. For example, if you want to analyze more, you can move like this. Okay? Also, you can use this, okay? You can analyze at the same time. Okay? For one-way analysis, we can use more than 3 groups. Okay? So, if we look at this one, there are many groups in this area. For example, what is your current mental status? So we can use this one for the analysis of variance. We go this way. So we are going to move this one. Where is the variance mental status? This is somewhere. Gender, religion, mental status here. Okay. So we are going to move this one to vector.
Excuse me, I have a question.
Yeah.
Are those names, like on the left side, part, region, gender, duration, are those just the names, like the titles that you already gave for that variable in the programming?
Yeah.
Okay.
I typed already.
Okay.
I can decide.
I don't have much experience with spreadsheets
Just
stuff.
made them up.
Oh, you just made them up?
Yes, you can name them anything. you
Right.
want.
Anything.
Right. Okay.
For example, if you look at this one, variable view, you can see these things, okay? I just name S1, S2, this is for self-esteem because I have no time to type the self-esteem. So I just type S1, S2 like that. Okay. Okay. So we have to check this manual. We don't need this one. Continue. This is very important to click Duncan. You can select anyone, but Duncan is first one, the first one for the post-hoc analysis. Okay. You can use the option. You have to click descriptive for the beginner. Okay. If you are excellent analyzer, you can use all. You can use just descriptive only. And we don't use push in this case. Okay. After that, you can click paste here. So you can go to syntax. Okay. You can see if there's something with what we do here. Like this, okay. So we can get the conclusion output here like this. This is one analysis. This is descriptive step. We clicked this one, descriptive analysis, right? So first of all, we have to check the number of group. Okay. If you look at the divorce, just only 14. Also separated, just only 4. Okay. But living with another, just 2. There's some problem because 14 has no representative needs of one group. Okay. I think more than 40 or 50, so we can talk about it because this is not qualitative research. This is quantitative research, right? So we need also this one also problem. So we need making another group for analysis. Okay. For example, single. This is good group. Okay. Mental also good group. But I think this is not so good one. So I think how about this one? If we do some, it just only what? It 20 cannot be one group. Okay. So that's the problem. In this case, we have to throw away, okay, divorce, separated, and living with another one. So we can make just two groups, okay? For example, we want to make that one. We have to use this one. Data file. Okay. There's missing. Okay. We can make them into missing variable. Okay. For example, this one. Divorced number 1. Okay. Separated number 2. Widow number 3. 5. 6. We don't need this one. We need only 7 and 3. Okay. So I think we can use this one. Okay. If you click the missing, let's go to the mental status here. If you click here, you can see these things. Okay. Actually, there is no missing values, but we need missing value. For example, 1. Okay. Also, we need another one. Let me check the separated. Okay. So, I think number 4 section. Okay. Okay. You can click OK. Okay. So, I'm not sure. So, okay, we have to look at this one. Okay. Still, we have one more here. Okay. Single and medical. 3 groups. Okay. So, yeah.
So what's the discrete missing variable?
Missing variable?
Discrete missing variable, what was that? I didn't catch it.
Yeah, we are not going to analyze those cases, okay? That means, okay? For example, if there is no answer, we can number it into 9, for example. After that, we can do missing value. For example, yeah, would you spell that?
Oh, she has the
Yeah, right.
So,
Yeah.
sorry.
Yeah.
So for example, you have a survey questionnaire and somebody doesn't answer the question. That's a missing variable. But you still have to give it a value.
Yeah.
And generally speaking, you don't have 9 answers. So generally, we give it a value of 9.
So it's a placeholder.
It's a
Oh,
placeholder.
okay.
So if you see a 9,
Yeah.
you know it's something we're not going to evaluate in your data.
Okay, got it.
Yes. You want to state this twice, right?
Yes.
So if you have a problem, you can ask. Like this, we can do that. But also we can erase this one, okay? So if we erase this one, there are only 2 groups, right? So we have to change the analysis method into t-test, right? Because there are only 2 groups, right? So it's very complicated. Here, this one. You see? Actually, it's like this. Normally, we can treat only 3 missing variables, but in the cases there are 4 missing variables. Yeah, we have to check the yeah, in this case. Okay, and then also we have to check from here, for example. This nectar status. So we have to find out the number. What is the? Let me see. 5. Okay. We have to find out the 5 from here. For example, if we want to find out 5,
16.
only here is it.
16's got 5.
This one. So we can change this one. So first go one like this, okay? So also we want to find 5 more. So we can use 5, right? 5, 6. So we can find the problem here. We can change this one. So, okay. We have to check the analysis of this one by using sequential analysis. Using random status here. Just paste. So you can see it's missing is 21. So we have single and man group. Okay. So in this case, we have to use t-test for the analysis. So we have to change the analysis. This could be a mean independent t-test. And in this case, also we can use all one. This. Mental status. Know the number, so we have to check. There is a single.
Single is 3.
Yeah, single 3, and then negative. continue. So we have to click paste. We have a result here. So we can compare single and married in self-esteem, facial image, image maintenance behavior, okay, appearance satisfaction, image management, what else? Intercultural sensitivity, okay, social cultural adaptation, and life satisfaction. Okay. So we have to check the significance level here. If we look at the significance level, more significance, no significance, no significance, no significance. But there is a significance here. Okay? What is that? Appearance of satisfaction. This one. Okay? Appearance of satisfaction. So we have to check who is higher. This is okay. Who is higher than? Single is higher than. In appearance and satisfaction, okay? Married should be careful. Also, if we look at this one, the significance level here. This one has also significance level, so this is social cultural adaptation. We will get to this one in mean. Who is higher than married one also. If you marry in Korea, you can get more higher social cultural adaptation. Okay. I don't have any information about that. Okay. If we look at this one, also the last one. How about I have a question. Who is going to hire in life satisfaction in between married and single? How about that? Do you have any idea? Married is better?
What is the question?
Who's higher
In life satisfaction?
Yeah.
Well, it depends.
Okay. African students, we have a result here. Who is higher? More higher in life satisfaction, so you do not marry anymore. We are African. So we can see. Okay, we are going to continue another test again because we failed already. Also we have to check the questionnaire first. Choice group. How often do you contact family members in your home country? Okay. Rarely, seldom, often, never. Okay? How about this one? What is your Korean language ability? Okay, we are going to analyze based on this one. This is much better. Korean language ability. Look at here. Analyze. Okay. Compare mean. So we are going to change this one in this case. This one. Okay. Just create and then this one. Okay. I think we have good result. Descriptive statistics. Okay? Okay. Oh, but anyway, there is a high is just only 8%, right? Anyway, we are going to. So normally we have to change this one. This the high group must be included into middle group, I think. But we are going to use this one. Okay. So this is descriptive. Okay. Example, there is mean standard deviation here.
I just want to point something out with the missing variables. It's actually very easy to get around that if we're doing quantitative research, because we're probably going to do most of them via online surveys. We can set all questions to be required, so they can't actually submit the data unless they've answered every question, so we don't get any missing variables.
Okay. So we have to check this one. There's significance differences here. First one, second one, third one, except this two. Also this one. Okay. First one, let's check this one. How about the self-esteem? I think it's relatively low. Okay. When you look at this one, actually, we cannot distinguish which group is higher than other one. Okay? Right? If we do t-test, we can distinguish very well easily because there are two groups, so we can compare only mean. But if there are three groups, we cannot compare that one. So at that time, we need post-hoc analysis. For example, we can get this kind of result like this. Okay, we click the Duncan analysis, right? So this is Duncan result. Okay, high group. Okay, the mean is like this, 3.1. Okay, middle and low group in Korean ability. This is second group. This is highest group. This is second group. Okay. So, if we do not consider this one, we can conclude that if high group in Korean language, where high self-esteem living in Korea, right? Understand? How about the low and middle groups, or same group? Yeah. Okay. So we can say that I group is higher than this two group. Okay. Okay, second one, we can go to the second one, like this is here, okay? If you look at this is facial imaging, right? So there is differences between three groups, okay? In facial imaging. So, in facial imaging, it is also according to Korean ability, language ability, okay? So high in Korean language is in, actually they are very high also in facial imaging. Okay, if they speak English well, Korean well, also facial image is also high. Okay, only compared to low group, but middle group same. They are same group in they are one group in the same group, right? Yeah. So there is difference between the group, this group, and this group. Okay, that is group. So this group belongs to low group also. This group also belongs to high group. Okay, in this case, right? So that is very important when you do ANOVA analysis. So you have to do post-hoc analysis to find out the difference between three groups. Okay. So I want to say like this one. Okay. So okay. Yes. It's good. Also, actually, I have to do the cost plus analysis, but the time is very short. Yeah. So. but you have to know about the compare mean. That's the basic analysis of statistics. This is only one group. So in this case, there is no significance level. For example, this is mean management behavior. There is no, there is significance, but we cannot distinguish it based on hard test. In this case, we have to use LSD statistics. Sometimes it's not good when we use that kind. So we need another statistic analysis. So I will show you another one. That's correlation. Correlation is, if you look at the article, you can find out the correlation analysis. Okay. So we have to use correlation mean score. For example, this mean score here. Correlation analysis. We don't need any option. We don't need any step. We can use first one, Pearson correlation analysis. We can click paste, and then we go to syntax file here. So we can click this one. Okay. So you can get this kind of table. Okay. This is a result of correlation analysis. Okay. So this is a selfish stem. Okay, selfish stem. Okay, they have perfect correlation. So the value is 1. Perfect correlation. The same variable. This is spatial image, also selfish stem. Okay, the correlation coefficient is 0.3. There is a significance level. Okay, so we can say if self-stem is getting high, also spatial image is getting high. Okay. Because there's plus. Okay. For example, if there's no minus, there's no minus. For example, there's minus, but there is no significance level, so we cannot talk about that one. Okay. How about the other one? Which one is the highest one? For example, this one is the highest, right? Okay. If we look at intercultural sensitivity is getting high. Okay. Also, facial image getting high, but the correlation coefficient is medium level of total correlation coefficient. Total correlation coefficient is 1. So this is the value is almost half. How about this one? This is very correlated with this one. Also, this one is more. Okay. Image management behavior is correlated with appearance satisfaction very highly. Okay, we can say it like this. Okay, so if we want to check the direction of relationship, we have to do correlation analysis. So this is the basic analysis of statistics. So if we want to do regression analysis or Amos program, you have to check the correlation analysis first. Okay? So very easy to understand with the one, but very basic one also. Okay? everybody says.
Actually, maybe it's just a suggestion, I don't know, but for people like me who have like absolutely no experience with stats, could it be possible that like we could just like have some simple variable like who likes peanut butter sandwiches, who doesn't, and then you can plug in the stats for us, and then we can see how it all breaks down, and we could have different, we could even do a survey here among us, and then like plug it into something like
Oh,
this.
actually do it.
Yeah, actually, and then we
That would
watch
be
you
very
do it, you know, that, I would love that, to be honest.
Yeah.
Let's
You
try
know?
that. Survey.
Yeah.
Sure. We'll set up a survey once you guys decide who likes peanut butter sandwiches. Have the
What's facial?
Facial attributes.
So we can come up with a survey and send it to you.
It's a good thing.
Send a survey out to us.
We can use the
And we'll.
I-
at our class. No problem.
Because Windows 10 recognize your face to log you into your home screen.
Is there anyone who wants to analyze, okay, quantitative data? You can bring your data to me, so I can help. We are as a family.
Do you like peanut butter?
Chancellor, we
I like
are
peanut
we
butter
are as a
honey,
family,
so I
right?
would be probably call it independent variable.
So your opinion is.
Yeah,
My
yeah.
opinion doesn't matter at all. I'm voting for like
You can
Sanders.
say this.
Yeah. You know.
Okay, thank you for this.